Good afternoon, Vanandalma. Our expert AJO sir, Rajendra Kumar sir, good afternoon, sir. Our convener sir, Sindhika sir, good afternoon, sir. Once again, my dear students, good afternoon to all. Ma.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, madam.
The second lesson already you know, respiration, the energy releasing. Ma. In previous topics, we learned about the following topics also. Can energy be released without oxygen? Without the oxygen, the energy how to release in the previous class we learned. And what is the anaerobic respiration and lactic acid accumulation? These are all we learned in previous class. Okay. Today I am going to teach about the following new topics. Once again, I recall the anaerobic respiration, definition of yeast, experiment with yeast, definition of fermentation, experiment with fermentation, difference of respiration and combustion. Difference between respiration and
Respiration and
combustion.
combustion.
Okay. I am going to teach about, once again I recall the anaerobic respiration. See in this slide, what is the explanation of the anaerobic respiration? How many types of respirations are there? Two types of respirations are there. External and internal. Internal is called as cellular respiration. Internal respiration is again two types are there. What are they? Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic and anaerobic, both respiration, the main difference is aerobic respiration, the presence of the oxygen during the process of aerobic respiration. Without presence of oxygen during the process of anaerobic respiration. Today I am going to once again, what is the explanation of the anaerobic respiration? See in this slide, there are times when the cells are without oxygen. What is it like that? Without oxygen for a short period of time. When this happens, anaerobic respiration is take place. What is the take place? In anaerobic respiration, the glycolysis takes place. What is it mainly? Anaerobic respiration without presence of oxygen. Only the without the presence of oxygen, that time only during the process of the anaerobic respiration. Next, what is the glycolysis? Glycolysis is called as sugar products. Sugar products break down. The sugar products also break down is called as glycolysis. Sugar components breakdown is called as glycolysis. What is the main role of the glycolysis? Only the glycolysis also in this anaerobic respiration, the main product is there. Next, then followed by one of the two pathways. That means what is the anaerobic respiration without presence of oxygen is called as two types of fermentations are there. Lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. Lactic acid and alcoholic fermentation, that time it produced two ATP molecules. ATP is called as adenosine triphosphate, is one kind of energy molecule. It produced in our cells. Okay. See in this, what is the flow chart is there? The first one is, in this process, the glucose is one kind of sugar products from their body. The glucose break down energy and lactic acid. Glucose, it produced energy and lactic acid. Already in previous class, we learned about what is the utilizing of the lactic acid, which time it is requirement of the lactic acid. Already we learned in last classes also, which term the lactic acid utilizing factor? The physical activities that time the total human body insert the energy levels is lost. That time lactic acid is requirement and it produced to energy level. That is the main concept of in this respiration, that means anaerobic respiration. What is the process of the lactic and alcoholic fermentation, and same kind as lactic acid also one kind of energy molecule. How it utilizing to their results. That only it's a already discussed it in previous class, ma. Okay, ma. Can you able to understand in this line?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, shall you move to next slide?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Today I give the one introducing of the yeast. What is the yeast? Yeast is one kind of microorganism, unicellular organism. One kind of unicellular organism is called one cell. Only made up of one cell. Unicellular fungi that usually go through cell division by budding. Budding we know, ma, in previous class we learned about the budding. Budding is one kind of vegetative propagation. You know, reproductions are three types are there now. The mainly sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction. With this also, it participate with the sexual reproduction also. The male and female gametes it participate, and the asexual reproduction only the spores also it participate to the reproduction, and the vegetative propagation is other parts of the vegetative parts are any other vegetative parts are there now. Is it participate to the reproduction is called as vegetative reproduction. One of the example of the budding. The yeast also one kind of unicellular organism is called as fungus. Okay. Although they are unicellular is called as single cell organisms, yeast commonly grow together in group of to break down sugar and starch. Sugar and starch products, you know, the sugar and products it only the form to group of yeast. The group of yeast it break down to sugar and starches. పిండి పదార్థాలను అది బ్రేక్ డౌన్ ముక్కలుగా చేయుటలో ఈ యొక్క ఈస్ట్ పాత్ర వహిస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, what is the yeast require moist or wet environment? Yeast it grow wet and moist environment. ఈ యొక్క ఈస్ట్ ఎక్కడ మాయిస్ట్ అంటే what is the mean about moist and wet? తేమ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్రదేశాల్లో మాత్రమే ఈస్ట్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. Yeast is one kind of unicellular organism is called as fungi. Unicellular organism, you know, amoeba, paramecium, yeast, algae, fungus. These are also examples for unicellular organism only made up of single cell. Yeast also one kind of unicellular organism is there. Although they are the unicellular organisms is to commonly grow together groups to break down sugar and starch. Only the yeast require moist or wet environments only. See ma in this picture, this is not on the dry yeast ma. Dry yeast powder is called in this picture. The indicates in this picture, yeast is the dry yeast powder. I am already give the explanation also. What is the yeast also? You know, bread mold. You take the bread and kept on the 1 week. After 1 week, you see the bread also formed to bread mold. One layer is formed. The black color layer is formed. The layer is called as bread mold. This is fungus. One kind of fungus. This is also the yeast powder formed to after the grow to the moist places yeast after dry. In this picture, see in this picture, this is the yeast powder. Okay. Can you move to next slide, ma? Can
Yes,
you move to
madam.
next slide?
Yes, madam.
Okay. I will share one video. Please watch this video very carefully. What is the experiment by the carbon dioxide produced to yeast? Yeast lo carbon dioxide ela produce avutundi it proved to experimentally. Is there not any laboratories? But only I share with one video. I will share one video. Just be carefully, you listen and carefully the observed in the video, ma. See this in video. These experiments with yeast, ma. See what is the experiment? Experiment with yeast. Next, the yeast grows rapidly if it is supplied glucose in solution. Glucose in solution. You take the glucose solution is very important requirement. Okay. Next, what is the requirements? What is the operators? Take the test tube, to rubber cork, thermometer, delivery tube, lime water in test tube, paraffin solution or Dyson solution, narrow mouth beaker, glucose solution, yeast. Just you take the narrow mouth beaker. You just pour glucose solution in the narrow mouth beaker. After again the Bunsen burner, it is some flame. The glucose solution is boiled.
Madam,
What, ma?
video is not playing, madam.
Okay, ma. Just like ma. Once again, I recall this, ma. Okay.
మేడం
Yes, sir. నాకు అది వీడియో ప్లే కాలేదు అక్కడ.
మేడం
నాకు వీడియో ప్లే కాలేదు సార్ ఇక్కడ.
షేర్ స్క్రీన్ కొట్టండి అది వాట్సాప్ నుండి నాకు పంపించండి
సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ 1 సెకండ్. ఇక్కడ సాఫ్ట్ వీడియో దగ్గర ఇక్కడ షేర్ కాలేదు. 1 సెకండ్. I recall this experiment, ma. Okay. Okay, ma. In this experiment with the yeast, ma. In this experiment with the yeast,
Yeast.
yeast grows rapidly if it is supplied glucose solution. How to supply the glucose solution? In this experiment, it prove it. What are the requirements of this experiment? Test tube, 2 rubber cords, thermometer, delivery tube, lime water in test tube, paraffin liquid or Dyson green solution, narrow mouthed beaker, glucose solution, yeast. These are all requirements. You take the narrow mouthed beaker, it add the few drops of pure glucose solution. After you take the Bunsen burner and give the flame, the glucose are also boiled. See this video. After remove the burner, this is boiled glucose and add the cool glucose solution, few drops of cool glucose solution, and add the few drops of Diagen green solution or paraffin solution. Can you able to understand in this video?
Yes, madam.
See, ma, after few minutes, it formed to 1 centimeter of liquid paraffin layer is there, ma. Under it can have a glucose solution. It formed to the layer of liquid paraffin is as 1 centimeter is there. And kept the rubber cork and insert the thermometer. Again insert the 2-hole rubber cork, ma. 2-hole rubber cork is there. And another hole is insert the delivery tube. Just you take the lime water, another test tube, and insert the delivery tube also. This lime water, paraffin layer, glucose solution, delivery tubes, thermometer. Another one delivery tube also insert in the test tube. See in this solution, in this experiment, in this glucose solution and paraffin solution or Diagen solution, is called as it formed the one gas, ma. The form of the gas is delivered to another. The test tube is called as a lime water. Lime water is formed to bubbles, ma. It produces to bubbles. After bubbles, what is this gas, you know?
Carbon dioxide.
Which gas it produces, you know?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. Carbon dioxide produces. See, ma, it turned to milky white in color. It turned to milky white in color.
White in color.
Anaerobic respiration, absence of oxygen, only the carbon dioxide produced. That anaerobic respiration, that the yeast also one kind of unicellular organism insert during the process of the respiration. That time less oxygen and it produced to the carbon dioxide. Okay, this is the experimentally prove this. What is the anaerobic respiration? If the experiment is true to carbon dioxide release. Okay, can you able to understand, ma?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay. Again, I'm going to another next topic. Definition of the fermentation. Ma, can you able to understand in this experiment, ma? Already I give the slide also. What is the requirement of the operators? What is the procedure after the carbon dioxide released in the yeast? This also can you able to understand all of you?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, ma. Next, I am going to another new topic. What is the definition of the fermentation? Already, the fermentation cells. First of all, what is the fermentation? Pulia betuta. The fermentation, what is the definition is there? An anaerobic cellular process in which bacteria, yeast or other microorganisms convert organic foods into simpler compounds and chemical energy is produced. I give one explanation. Milky products also it give to the lactic acid, ma. I give some next slide. I give the most of the explanation. In this slide, an anaerobic cellular process in which bacteria or yeast, these are also one kind of unicellular organisms, microorganisms. These all intake the food contents of organic foods into convert into simpler compounds. The simpler compounds also it produced chemical energy is called as ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Next, the conversion of carbohydrates into alcohols and carbon dioxide or organic acids by yeast, bacteria, or a combination of both. It's just like any bacteria is also intake of the food components. The food components also it convert to alcohols and carbohydrates. Sir? The conversion of the carbohydrates into alcohols and carbon dioxide or organic acids by yeast, bacteria, or combination of both. Bacteria and yeast intake of the organic food materials. That time it produced the alcohol and carbon dioxide. This is the process of the fermentation. What is the fermentation? It produced the, what is the examples are there? Wine, beer, bread, idli, some sugar solutions, kimchi, kimchi, agarot. These are also one kind of examples of the fermentation. Just like it helps to the fermentation process. These food products also, it helps to the process of the fermentation. Okay, ma? What is the fermentation? The anaerobic cellular process in which bacteria, yeast, or other microorganisms. These are all convert to the organic compounds into simpler compounds. But at that time, it produced to the chemical energy is called as ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Very difficult topics, ma. Keep on concentration and please observe in every slide very carefully, ma. Very tough subject in these slides also. The fermentation is also one new topics and new terminology is there in our subject in this lesson. Please follow this everyone. Can you move to next slide?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Fermentation also the process by which cells release energy in the absence of oxygen. These are also one kind of anaerobic respiration, you know. Anaerobic respiration is only during the process of the fermentation. The main that means the fermentation that time oxygen is absent. Next, the fermentations also two types are there, ma. Alcoholic fermentation and lactic fermentation. Okay. First one is, what is the alcoholic and lactic fermentation that time? First, the first glucose is there. It break down to the so much of the energy molecules, ATP, ADP, NADP. This also it is split off this break down to the first of glucose product. Glucose is it split it. That means break down to the so much of the energy molecules. These are all it formed to the ethanol and lactic acid. Glucose food products it break down to the NADP, ATP, ADP. These are all also one kind of energy molecules. The energy molecules it produce to the ethanol, ethyl alcohol, and lactic acid. These are also the process of the fermentation. Next, I will give the lactic acid fermentation. Sir, inka time unda sir, Ilyas sir? Sir? Sir, Ilyas sir? 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 Next, What is the explanation of the lactic acid fermentation? I give some explanation, ma'am. One glucose molecule C6H12O6 is a glucose. The glucose molecule break down lactic acid and ATP. Okay. The fermentation can also be carried out by bacteria. We know all milky products also, it has a lactobacillus bacteria is there, ma. All milky products, it has a lactobacillus bacteria is there. Lactobacillus, the bacteria, it produces lactic acid and glucose. That is one energy it produces the bacteria. This is one type of useful bacteria, not in harmful bacteria. Lactobacillus is there, one kind of useful bacteria. All milky products, it has a lactobacillus. The lactobacillus, it produces lactic acid and glucose. This one kind of energy molecules utilized into during the process of the respiration that time. Okay, the lactic acid fermentation is a process in which bacteria converts glucose to lactic acid. Already told now, lactic acid fermentation after the process which the bacteria, lactobacillus, the bacteria that convert to glucose and lactic acid. So what is the example? The make products such as butter, yogurt and cheese. These are also produced lactic acid. Example, that lactic acid build up in our muscles. Lactic acid also build up your muscles. It helps to build up your muscles. Okay. The lactic acid, one kind of food energy molecule. Okay, ma'am? Can you able to understand in this slide? Can you move to next slide? Next to alcoholic fermentation. What is the alcohol? That is alcoholic fermentation. The example is there, yeast. Sir, inka unda sir? Okay. Next, alcoholic fermentation. The example of yeast. When spores are placed in a food-rich, oxygen-free environment, the organisms come to life. What is the spores, ma'am? Spores is one kind of sexual parts in asexual reproduction. The examples are there. That means already you know the sexual and asexual reproductions. Asexual reproduction, the sexual parts participate to the spores only. Okay. Sir, ever sir ikkada atla geestunar sir? Sir?
madam.
Ikkada slide chudandi evaro geesesaru sir. Okay, ma. Time is over, ma. Can you able to understand in this class? Can you ask
Yes,
some
ma'am.
doubts also? Any doubts are there, ma?
No doubts, Mary.
I give one submission also, ma. I will give one submission meeku. Ee month last lo FA1 examination 25th in start అవుతుంది. Only the examination through online, ma. Online lo paper మేమే షేర్ చేస్తాము. రాజేష్, don't disturb for me. Keep quiet, రాజేష్. మీకు ఆన్లైన్ లోనే ఎగ్జామినేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. అప్పటికప్పటికే మార్క్స్ కూడా ఎవాల్యుయేట్ జరిగిపోతుంది, మా. ఈ రోజే మాకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి మీకు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మీరు అందరూ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. నేను సిలబస్ మీకు మేము సెండ్ చేస్తాము. డోంట్ డిస్టర్బ్. మీ గ్రూప్స్ లో మేము సెండ్ చేస్తాము. మీరు ఆ సిలబస్ ప్రకారం మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అయి ఉండాలి. మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్, డయాగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఉంటుంది మా. మీరు ఎగ్జామ్స్ అంతా కూడా మేము ఇచ్చే సిలబస్ పైన మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అయి ఉండాలి. వెల్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ అండ్ బీ రెడీ టు ద FA1 ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ మార్క్స్ అంతా కూడా ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేసి మేము మార్క్ లిస్ట్ లో వేసుకుంటాం. దిస్ ఇస్ మార్క్స్ ఫర్ యూ. Evaluate this in the FA1 marks. Iday meek FA1 examination. 10th class, very be careful. Follow this every instructions Sama. Everyone through the follow the instruction. Meek enta works assignments ichina, meek em works ichina, only the few students only submission of the homeworks ma. Remaining 31 students also don't submit to the